So here we go. Hey guys, welcome to Money Farming YouTube channel. So we are here to analyze the crypto market and then we're gonna do some strategy development as well. So um, let's get it going. Yeah. So hang on, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna get my Linux machine here and then fetch the data. So I need this. Let's start with the 4-hour chart, yeah, and then 1-hour chart. So see, 4-hour chart was fetched. 1-hour chart is also there, and then let's get the 15-minute chart. So this is the 15 minutes chart. See, I'm gonna go to the here. So let's analyze it from the 4-hour. Let's get from the start, yeah. So I'm gonna open the 4-hour. I'm gonna open the 1-hour, and then I'm gonna open the 15 minutes chart. ADA. So I wish I could show you guys all three chart in like 3 different monitor, but anyway, let's so we had from the previous. All right, so what is going on in ADA? So here what we see that the market was on the downtrend. So we formed new structure here, and so when so it is probably going down way around here, downside. So we'll see some reversal over there. So why I'm telling you this, no sir, as soon as down wave is complete and up wave is starting, like this pivot here, now we are in up wave on the 4-hour. So we know on the longer term that it's gonna go up, right? It's like, yeah. Now let's zoom in and take the 1-hour chart and see what's going on there. Again, zoom in on the 1-hour chart and then see what's going on the 15 minutes chart. So that's your entry time frame, so all this, when you combine, that's what multiple time frame analysis. All right, so let's move on and see the 1-minute chart, 1-hour chart, sorry. So 1-hour chart of ADA, yep, here. So what do we see here? See, we got a couple of short here, short here. So for the 4-hour chart, the downway started there. So on 4-hour, when you see the candle might be big, but they are going like this. So what we can speculate is we can see that it's building some this triangle. Okay, now why I'm showing just triangle, no, I don't like to use this patterns and stuff, but for beginner traders, they can understand, it's yeah, we have heard this term. Anyway, the thing is the simple way to know this is it's building energy. Okay, it's accumulating. Okay, now so what's gonna happen? Okay, see, here on the trade setup, it shows that like, you know, short trade. Okay, so we can take a short trade and see how it goes. Okay, but like if you are like conservative trader, wait for market to go down, come back up around here, and then take a short there. Okay, but anyway, I think we can take a short trade here. So we can take a short trade there. Okay, but like if bias changes, okay, suppose if bias changes, then what are you gonna do if you want to take a long trade? No, like wait for the market to go up, pull back, this is where you like take long. But for now, let's follow the like trade setup, and then like we enter the trade and see how it goes. Okay, so this is actually like you know, start of New York session. So I think yeah, so here, so see this trade we took yesterday on Bitcoin, and it's profitable, right? So I'm gonna do ADA. This is FYI guys, this is demo trading. Okay, so yeah, okay, so what I can see here on 1 hour chart on ADA, I mean it's kind of like in the bottom. See, it's like it's in the like, you know, 1 2 3 4, so it's kind of like holding this level. Okay, so I mean if I'm gonna enter, no, it's like if I saw like long candle and then pull back, then I'm gonna enter. Okay, so let's look for ADA. Okay, later on. Now I don't think it's good time to enter short there. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to different chart. What's happening on the 15-minute? I wonder though. 15 minutes says to go short there. I mean when the move actually began. So yeah, this is why like I thought like, you know, I mean in New York session I'm gonna like trade and do analysis and all this stuff, but like I think market goes on for like all the session. Okay, anyway, let's go and see zoomed out version of it. So here what we see, we got the short trade here for ADA there as well. So I think this move was like really good move, you know, and there was reason why to take short there. No, it actually takes by the bot. You saw you actually saw the um freak UI, right, of this trade, of this system that I was like showing you yesterday, right? No, you remember yesterday or a couple of days ago, I don't know. Yeah, but like so see this, like why take that trade? No, is like there's reason for it. Okay, now let's show you why. You see this value, right? So value shifted here. When the market went down, it traded below that only. It tried to go up but didn't, so it came down. See change of character. When this pullback happens, so then we enter this trade. Okay, now here what was happening is this market, it came to this value area and it got rejected from there. Okay, so that's a really good place to take a trade. You see this doji is forming there. I think let's code today candlestick patterns. I think that would be quite interesting, don't you think? What do you think, guys? You wanna learn about like candlestick pattern trading, coding, algorithmic trading on candlestick pattern? Because like I've seen like in internet they just use the raw what we get from TLib, it's like that's not how you like calculate candlestick pattern. I mean, it's just like mathematical formula, but like if you apply that, you can see that like it's not really like picking up, right, all the candles. So I'm gonna show you really really cool way of doing it. So let me know if you guys wanna learn about that. And also nice. So your freak trade strategy is a Python version of what you're drawing now. Yeah, it's actually like it's actually what I deployed. So I wrote this code just to visualize it. It's like 8,000 lines of code, and so it's trading and it's plotting as well. So it's going live actually. Yeah, it's trading as well as like yeah, and you saw the profit was like really good on that one. So yeah, I'm not telling you to boast about this stuff. It's just that like once you build the system with like logical sense, like logical algorithmic trading, then you can like put money into it. Anyway, from the trade setup, you can see it's like, I mean, have you seen like indicator or something like giving this good prediction? I haven't seen one. So if you know one, let me know. See, I mean, there will be like bit loss, but see, short trade, boom, you know. Yeah, this part I'm gonna teach you later on. Yeah, it takes time actually. Yeah, it's not simple. I mean, the way I'll teach you, it will be simple. That's why I'm building the course on Udemy, so that like I can show you guys from the scratch. I mean, it takes concept to build this stuff. Yeah. Anyway, so see here. I can find like a lot of trades around here. See, one more trade there, short trade. You know. So yeah, you guys gonna learn cool stuff later on. Don't worry about it though. Yeah. So what do you say we today we do for the candlestick pattern, or you have something else in mind? Atom is going to go up. So we had spring on atom, right? Here, spring forming on atom. So it will go up. If it doesn't go up, then it's gonna like come around here and then might go up. So see, in trading, it's like people say you can't really predict the market, but how about like you just predict both long and short? If this happens, I'm gonna go long. If this happens, I'm gonna go short. That's it. I don't have to predict the market. But literally the system I built, like you can predict the market. Yeah, anyway. If you're speculating something that's going to happen in the future, then what you're doing is predicting. So there's that. Yeah, so let's go on. Atom, right? AVAX, yeah, I think we can take long trade there, but for me, the problem I have on this one is like, see, we were trading up, okay, we didn't went up, but like we came down, taking all this liquidity with us, and then as we came here, it's like this converted to red. So what I probably gonna do now is like New York session is started. So what's gonna happen now is like these guys, big traders, gonna like they are taking this to upside, okay. Now from there you take short. So get this point there. I'm gonna enter short, okay. Limit orders though. It's around 34 something. So let's go and punch the trade, okay. So what was it? AVAX, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take a limit sell order around 34, which is, so this is 1 hour chart. I'm gonna take a look at the 15 minutes chart. Also, it's actually like retracing. So 34 around here. I think we are seeing the breakdown here. Yeah. The market is bleeding. That's why it's like growing up. I think it's really good opportunity to see what's gonna happen on the short side here. So if we break this level now, this, as it's going down, when it's pull back, I'm gonna enter short there. So yeah, I have to see the pullback though. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, we can enter. It's the same price, but like we have to see the pullback. Okay, because to be honest, what happened there is like this was distribution phase. So we came down, we pull back, and then we are running that. So if I look it from the Elliott wave perspective, 1, 2, 3 is gonna be like, you know, this big, and then when it comes back, then we're gonna ride the 5th wave. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's move on. I think this is when, like, you know, doing the analysis on 1 minute time frame is so crucial. So this indicator, you see, you know, it's actually like dynamic support and resistance. It gives us dynamic support and resistance. Okay. Even with this simple indicator that I'm going to teach you how to code in Python, it's in PineScript now, but like when you draw it, code it in Python, it's really good. So, you know, it's going down. So if it goes up, you know, we can see if we want to enter short, like when it traces back, then we enter short there on Bitcoin. We are all actually already in a short trade on Bitcoin. I think I entered yesterday this trade. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna move on to the chart. Our X there. Okay. BCH is like Bitcoin Classic is is in a move to go up. Yeah, go up and then take the down slide, just as like, so we have like our bias that it's in the, like, you know, short-term bear market. So as we push down, last point of supply there came down, we are looking to come around here because the value is there. Okay, market's gonna go there. Well, because why? Because value is there. That's all you have to track, value. Okay, so see value. How do I mean? So this you see, you know, this, that is actually a VWAP, volume weighted average price. So all these are coinciding. It has to go there, and then from there they will take the market short. Okay, so BCH is done, and you can also see like why, you know, that's why, like, you know, this confirmation is like really easy to establish. Why, you know, if people ask you why it's gonna go up, you can tell them like really simply, see this candle, the big candle, that's actually like 4-hour candles. Okay, yeah, I think let's do this today, the 4-hour candle. So like market is already trading below that candle on lower time frame. You can see that you know, if it's gonna like come, if it's gonna come around here, the 4-hour chart is already on downtrend, you know. So that's how we like combine multiple different confluence and like, you know, uh, build a strategy on it. Bitcoin is also like, yeah, is this chart updated? Yeah, I think it's updated. April 15th, 16th, down wave. So here and there, so it hasn't, it doesn't have these two candles right now. Hang on, I'm gonna fetch it. At yeah, it's gonna update. So yeah, I mean, even for Bitcoin, no, it's like see, it converted to red. So like, it is actually going down. That was like short pullback to the value area. See, again the value area. See, like nice touch. Like it actually exactly went there, and then from there it came down, and that's what we are seeing there. See, there was our like value area, you know, on the chart. So yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and see it. Okay, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. On Dogecoin, it's actually like on 1 hour, it's telling us to go short on 1 hour on Dogecoin. I mean, market is kind of like bearish, so it makes sense to go short basically. That's what like trend following strategy is. So yeah, see, it told us to go short here, and we are going short on Dogecoin. So like I think, okay, let's see the sentiment. What the, I think today market is breakout market. Yeah, see, yeah, today is breakout day, narrow CPR expansion. So like, you know, on Asian session we accumulated, London session we took it down, and on New York session we further gonna like go around here. We probably go till this point. If we don't, you know, that would be our target. When we pull back, that would be our like target. Okay, so that's gonna be our like short position on Doge. Come on, pen, work. All right, so yeah, dot, a dot is trading above the value. Yeah, we'll see about the dot, what's gonna happen. See, it's very easy to make predictions with higher time frame, man. I mean, it's best time to go short on dot. Let's go take a short position on dot, polka dot. And it's again like, you know, see, this is how like, you know, like he, you know, it's like we actually missed the opportunity. See, we had to enter here, short trade. So yeah, we actually missed the opportunity now. So what I'm like gonna see if I'm gonna enter trade short, no, it's like breakdown, pull back up, and then take short there. Okay, so we are actually looking for a pullback because like we have a lot of liquidity around here as well to go short, you know, like this around here. So yeah, there's a lot of potential to go down. Yeah, how do I know that? Go to the higher time frame, man. Yeah, you will know that what I mean. See, see in higher time frame, one day chart, what we see here, like we had this, like, you know, I mean, take it as the way you understand head and shoulder pattern. So we are in this last leg around here. So we'll probably go till here, and that's where the liquidity is. Okay, this one. Okay. So yeah. Um do you know these concepts? Like, are you beginner or like what's your like what are you on this? Where are you on this trading universe, crypto trading universe, if I may ask? Um okay. So daily 4 hour we are going down here. 1 hour. Yeah, we already going down from here. So yeah. So how much profit we would have captured? It's like 3%, man. That's a lot. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So let it run, and then like let's go and like trade some strategy. Okay. So this one is around $100 profit. I mean, it's trade demo account. I'm just like showing you that like once you punch the trade right now, you will basically like make money. You know. So yeah. All right. So we're gonna code the candlestick pattern. Okay. No, 4 hour. Okay. Let me bring it here. Do you have you tried coding this on your own? Have you guys tried it? Okay. Let's code that multiple time frame. 4.1. Yeah. 4.2. Okay, 3, 4. We were doing this, right? Hmm. So I'm gonna make a copy of it and say this like 4.2 multiple time frame analysis. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, gonna download the 4 hour data, and we're gonna do some plotting today. Let's get the latest data as well. Um, and then exchange Binance. All right. Let's get the latest data. Okay. We got the 15 minutes data. Let's get the 1 hour too, 4 hour. And 1 hour. So we got the data. 15 minutes, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 day is left. All right. So here's the latest data on daily. What we got on the DF. See, this is the latest data. Now let's get the last 10,000, I think, and run all this analysis. So here I'm gonna get the code for the 4 hour. Yep. Guys, the code is same for the what we get for the daily pivot levels. No, it's the same for 4 hour as well. So just like we are getting the 4 hour candlestick, that's it. Okay, so we get that, and what we need it for 1 hour too. So here it's 4, right? Now here it's for 1 hour, so take 1. Okay, all right. So we can get the 4 hour candlestick, and we can get the 1 hour as well. So let's start from the beginning. I think this we don't need that, we need that. I think we moved this function right there, right? Weekly, daily VWAP. Yeah, I think we did. Yep. So we just need this. Don't need that. Need that right now. Get the daily VWAP. All this stuff. We can put it up there. You know. Let me know if you have any question while I'm coding. I want to make it as interactive as possible. I think we got it. So we restart there. Oh yeah. DF 4 hour, and I think we are getting 2 back. No, only 1. So we got the data here. Sorry. So here tuple object. Hang on. Yep. So see, we got all the data here. Okay. 132 columns. All right, now let's plot it. How do we plot it? Not fully, but like some part of it. Yeah. It actually describes the content like this one. So you see, right? Hang on, where's the charting? Yep. So this you see this 4-hour candle. So that's for that one, and you see this one, pivot, previous day high, low, pivot point. So whatever I'm teaching, you can replicate this with this one, but not the whole thing though. Yeah, it's gonna be like very advanced, like more than 50,000 lines of code. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys later though that one. But you can draw this. I mean, keep it simple, bro. It's like with this simple strategy, you can make money as well. So yeah. Okay, let's go on. Let's go and see here. Okay. So I want to plot this chart. Okay. So how to do it? Hang on, I'm looking at my code here. So plot 4-hourly pivot levels. Yeah, this one, previous day high low. Fill between, I need the, oh yeah, plot previous 4-hour candle. Okay. So we need this code here. Okay. See, previous day low, so if I type here, like previous candle low 4-hour, this is the data. You can see from previous candle 62,490. Okay, so 62,490. So if I go here, 4-hour chart, Binance future, low of it was, so previous 4-hour candles low was 62,490. You see this? 62,490. Can you see it? Hang on, I'll show you. See the low of this now, right here, 62,490. So hang on. So here you see. Why can't I zoom in? Anyway, here you can see that it's like you can verify. Yeah, that's really helpful. Yeah, I mean, I haven't seen anyone like drawing support or resistance. Like, I mean, come on, man. It's like every traders like trade with support and resistance. Not a single trader I know who don't use support or resistance. Even the people who like big firm trader, like all this they would show you this order flow, this that, where I mean they do see like liquidity on the chart. With order flow you can see the liquidity, but at the end of the day is like support and resistance are nothing but a place for where you can find a lot of buyers. So like is my voice good? Can you tell me if it's good or not? Like, can you hear me properly? Just give thumbs up if you can hear me properly. I think I'm seeing the OBS studio. It's like anyway. Hello. Yeah. It's good. So what he's saying. Hang on. I'm gonna keep the chat here. Okay. So most free trade using BB and SMA. Yeah, it doesn't work, bro. If you have done this, I mean, I'm not saying this to discourage or something, but like you can try it. It will work for short time, but like for a longer term, you have to rely on, making good predictions. Basically, you you uh, you uh, you follow me where I'm going with this, and like why I'm showing you that like support and resistance, like this is the real stuff that like a lot of people are not like even in algorithmic trading they're not teaching or something. I don't know, for some reason. Okay, so let's add this. Okay, here. And this is new stuff here, so fill between. So what I have is like what have you coded with Bollinger Band and like SMA? You probably have. So support color, no, I wanna keep it as like lime, and like resistance color, I wanna keep it as like tomato, and then marker size is gonna be 20, I think. Marker is gonna be like this. Okay, so that's for like high and low, but for plotting this, like so here we just call fill between equals to fill between. Okay, now I'm gonna remove all these, and then you're gonna see the magic of pure Python combined with like we haven't combined fricted, but we later combine the fricted with it. Okay, so you see this. I'm sorry. So you can see it, right? See this candle, 4-hour candle, previous 4-hour candle. Okay, we are already in like downtrend there. So like in lower time frame now, when you zoom in, when its pullback happened here, just like short that thing, man. Yeah, and we will code this stuff right now. Okay, we'll code it so that like whenever we see this opportunity, it will go down. What I mean is like, see, higher time frame actually, it's like when you go on higher time, they actually like generate support and resistance. So for 4-hour high low, no, that is like our support and resistance there. Okay, so when the market goes below support, pull back up, that's our like trade. Goes below, pull back up, that's our like trade for short trade. All right, even for the long. See, market goes up, pull back up, that's our long trade. Market goes above the 4-hour, pull back here, that's our long trade. So see, it's very easy. Yeah, so now let's code it. I think you're gonna see it better on the 500. This one, see, all this chart is making sense now. So let me do this first. So high is my resistance color. See this? Hang on, I'm gonna reduce the marker size to 10. And then we can see it. See? This is what I'm showing you guys. Combining 4-hour and all this stuff. So let's code it. What strategy we want to code is so what I want to code is See, this case, no, so this is open of 4 hour, this is close of 4 hour, this is low of 4 hour, this is high of 4 hour. Okay, what happened? Market came down, it pulled back around the open at the close of the 4 hour. So market closed around here, 4 hour close, and immediately from there it came down. So what does it tell you is that so we closed in this candle. Okay, I want you to focus on this one because it's very important. See, check this out. Okay, so this is where market closed on 4 hour, right? Come on, pen, work. Yeah, here, right? Now just the next candle is like doji, man. It's like not doji, but like it's shooting star candlestick. Okay, or call it like inverted hammer, I don't care. It's like you should know why it's made and like what's the sentiment behind it. Okay, so yeah. No, that's not a daily time frame, that's actually like 4 hour time frame. This bigger bar here, that's 4 hour. Yeah, you can see it like the easiest way to see is it 4 hour or not. See, from here to here, count all this candlestick. Like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 16 into 5, when you do know, is like no, 16 into 15 minutes, right? So every 15 minutes is like so 4 15 minutes combined, they generate 1 hour. Okay, what do you think if like for 4 hour, what we need for 4 hour? Just multiply it by 4 both sides, we got 16. So 16 15 minutes of candle, they generate 4 hour candles. Okay, so that's your proof right there. Yeah. So yeah, so I want to code on this strategy. Okay, what do you think? Isn't it cool that you can see 4 hour candle on like 15 minutes? Because I've seen all the charting platform. Okay, they don't even like give you this liberty to do overlay chart, but like it's really cool when you can code it and like see it. You see a lot of patterns, I can promise you that. Like, yeah, for sure. With only this one we can build like best trading strategy. The only thing is that like, do you know what is going on? Yeah, support and resistance with daily pivot levels. Yeah, that's where I taught it. Yeah. So guys, this thing is like really helpful. Okay, I mean, I'm not getting a lot of attraction right now in YouTube channel, but like once people will see, they will know that like there's value in it. Okay, that's why like I'm actually like documenting everything that I'm like building on for Udemy course. So you can see my live stream, like previous live stream, where I was asking ChatGPT to like organize this content, and then I was explaining the how the market works. So I think when you I'm gonna like clip that video and post it, the new way of looking at the market, or the accurate way of how market works. So so yeah, okay. So see this, what we can do is like, see, it came down, it went up. So this is where like we can initiate trade. Now what can be the condition here? See, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles, right? So we can look around like 5 to 6 or even 8 candles behind, or we just like look at this. If we see on the close, one bull candle and one bear candle on the like 4 hour close, and if that 4 hour close is like red, bear candle, then we go short. All right, and you can reverse it for bull candle. Okay, so yeah, so let's code it. Okay, what we need is like, so 4-hour close, we need 4-hour close. Okay, for short, and what we got to see, one candle, so like this. Okay, so first we're gonna see the bull candle, and then I want to see the red candle. Okay, so this is what like the condition will be, is like, yeah, so let's code it. Okay, and this is where our like 4-hour close will be, so from here, as we see, this candle is already red, like this, 4-hour candle is bear candle, then we basically short the market. So this is gonna be our entry point, EP. Okay, so let's go and like code it. Okay, this strategy, what strategy gonna call it? Multiple time frame analysis. Okay, so let's do it. See, this is why, that's why I was like talking about that, like once you do this node, like you don't really have to optimize things. So let's go and code it. I need entering long trade. So I want to check first. So yes, let's write the algorithm. Okay, check first if the 4-hour candle is green, and then we see previous two candles, out of which first candle should be red, and then second candle should be green. Okay, so let's do this. Check if the 4-hour candle is green. So how do we check it? Previous candle close 4-hour is greater than previous candle close open 4-hour. Okay, so we got the first condition right. So second condition is like see if the first candle, first means like previous candle, and second candle means like current candle. Okay, so previous candle means like close of previous should be less than open of previous, and then df dot close of current is greater than open. So this is green candle. Okay, now do you have any question? Are you understanding this, or like I can explain it a bit further if you want. So what I want to now use the 4-hour close as a support or liquidity point from where you wanna initiate the trade. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I want to see the low of the previous candle to be previous candle close 4-hour, and high of the previous candle as well greater than should be previous candle close 4-hour, and you can also do shift here because yeah, and then what I want the close, yeah, it doesn't really matter where the close is, to be honest. So get that, and what we can do for now here as well, remove that shift. series object is not callable. So see, this much trade setup we got 237. Okay, now let's reverse it for short trade. This is gonna be like this. This is gonna just like reverse everything, you know. Yeah, this is gonna be same. Yeah. So we got 477 trade setups. Let's see. Voila. Here we go. See, it's really good trade setup, you know. I mean, you can make money with it. Now we can also do the same for, you know, on the low side as well here. See, right? So, okay. On the low side, we can do that, or on the open as well. We can do on the open too. So like as it opens now, so open is here for this one, open is here for this one. Okay, yeah. I think with some like confluence and stuff, no, we can like reduce the noise, you know, with confluence. It's almost 1 hour in the stream, so yeah. With confluence we can like really like this would be good, this we can reject it, this we can reject it, this we can reject it, this we can reject it later on. Why? Because you see this candle is like very small, right? Now you gotta see it from like trader's perspective. That's why I was like telling you, then only you can like, you know, reduce the noise. You can't reduce this noise with optimization. Yeah, it's just not feasible, you know. Yeah, so let's run this for for all this, and we'll see. 4.2, yeah. I don't want any of it. You know what, I'm gonna show you like how to do confluence with daily pivot levels as well here. So yeah, it will be complete strategy then. Fill between, add plot. Okay, so I'm gonna run this simulation. We're gonna see where size does not match. Why? What is the error here? Yeah, I think I should do it with try and accept. Yeah, there's some error there. But you can see the trade, right? It's like really good, you know. This fill between is not working out. Why? I don't know why. Fill between, right? Oh, okay. I think, yeah, now we're gonna see it. Yep. So 0, 1. See here? Boom, right there. Short trade, good short trade, good long trade, good short trade. It's an arsenal of like really good strategy, you know. I have like thousands of different strategy, like really, really good ones. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Like, yeah, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it as well, though. What do you think of this strategy, bro? I mean, if you just give this to a trader, no, they will make money for sure. See? Now let's add the confluence, okay? Yeah, yeah. Are you a beginner like with Freak Trade or Python, or just like you know it? I mean, you have experience in it. Yeah, you do need to watch it again though. Yeah, there's a lot of content there. Yeah, I mean, it took me like 3 years. I mean, not 3 years, but like almost 3 years to figure this shit out. So you know, it's like yeah, you're getting it like really good education if like just continue and like watch it, and you know, and just play with it, man. Like if you wanna play with like Freak Trade, no, play the right way, you know. Most of the stuff in internet is the wrong way. Yeah, yeah, I feel you there, bro. Yeah, yeah, you should watch it a couple of times, you know. Yeah, it's fun to do analysis this way. Okay, so let's add our this confluence. So let's see. I'm gonna make it 300. If you can code, no, then like yeah, after understanding this, like how to like get the building your own library and stuff, you will be making like really good strategies. I can promise you that. Yeah. So here what we can do now, so check this out. I'm gonna need to look at different 300. Okay. Candle range. I think the hard part of algorithmic trading, you know, is to know that like where like how trading works basically. Once you know how to trade and like all these concepts, you know, no, then it's very easy to code that stuff. So you can see that. I think here no VWAP is gonna be helpful. Yeah, for sure. You know, and also like, you know, most of the time I actually like suffered from this like look ahead bias, you know. It's like I tried to solve it a lot, okay, and the code that I'm showing, you know, it's actually like it's foolproof from look ahead bias. You won't find look ahead bias at all, okay. I mean, if you do something wrong in the code, then you might find it, but like not here. Okay, you can see, that's why I showed you. was the previous day, previous candle close on 4 hour, and I went to trading view, okay, and I showed you that like, oh, see, this is the previous candle close on 4 hour, which is like currently right now, in look ahead bias, like it will show, like, in look ahead bias, it really mess up the strategy. So yeah, watch for that look ahead bias, okay. So I got my daily pivot level. I think, I mean, weekly should be fine too. Yeah. Yep. So see here. Oh man, I like the chart, so I'm gonna make it bigger, 3, I think. Yeah. And then can also overlay the weekly, it's like, because in the weekly it will make sense as well on the weekly. This only, like the code for VWAP, you won't find it on internet. I looked a lot, man. I mean, with ChatGPT, yeah, you can like see it, but like I don't think so. Yeah, I actually tried with ChatGPT. ChatGPT didn't. Yeah. So I got the weekly overlaid on the daily. Yeah. So this one, yeah. Is the chart looking? I mean, you can read the chart, right? Because the way I code it, no, is like, okay, let's do it. I think it would be good exercise, or yeah, we can do it later. Let's put it there and analyze the chart, okay? What it will look like if I have this there. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Yeah, the only thing that we need right now is just the previous day high low, and then that's it. Still looks too much to me. Yeah, so I'm gonna just remove it. You keep in mind that like your chart should be clear, okay? So I got that. Let's plot it. So you see the weekly and daily overlay of it. You can really spot the pattern once you see it, For instance, here, this was Monday. Okay, because weekly and daily all started there. So like, that confluence is really good. So from here we went long, and here on the second day, weekly was like big distribution formation on the VWAP. So we were trading on the first and second standard deviation. Okay, I'll teach you more. I'll go more depth on the like trading side later on, like how we use VWAP, pivot points, and all this stuff. It's just that like there's a lot of stuff on internet. You can find it, but it's like it's scattered. So I'm gonna make one video explaining how VWAP and all this stuff works. Okay, and most importantly, how to trade it. Yeah. So we went down there. So here it's like VWAP was already like, you know, shifting down, you know, and we were below the value of weekly VWAP. So I think this is how we like, you know, add some like confluence. I'm going to only enter short when it's below the weekly VWAP, you know, that kind of, and I'm only going to enter long when it's above weekly VWAP. With that simple confluence, no, it's like you will get like really good result. Okay, so try it out at home and like let me know what where you went there with it. So see here, we would have made a lot of money here. Yeah, we'll be making a lot of money in this channel as well. Like you, I'm gonna share everything, so don't worry. And yeah, and I'll guide you guys as well throughout the way. So I appreciate you guys watch the video, and like if you are learning something from the video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share the video, tell about the channel to your colleague, your friends, you know, and share the link in Discord server as well if you're in Freak Trade as something. Yeah. So I think I'm going to stop the video now, and so tomorrow let me know, comment on the video below if you want me to like backtest on Freak Trade, you know, and like see how the confluence and all this stop loss and stuff works. So we can code that later on, but like for now I'm going to stop the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So thank you very much and happy trading.